डिअर स्टुडंट्स, सी हिअर पेज नंबर 11. याच्या आधी आपण ऑब्झर्वेशन्स फ्रॉम फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट हा क्वेश्चन पाहिलेला आहे. आता क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. एक्सप्लेन द फेल्युअर ऑफ वेव्ह थेरी टू एक्सप्लेन द ऑब्झर्वेशन्स फ्रॉम experiments on photoelectric effect. See here, most of the observations of photoelectric effect could not be explained by the wave theory of electromagnetic radiation. First is the instantaneous emission of electrons on incidence of light, which cannot be shown by wave theory. See here, another, that is, wave picture could expect that the metal surface will absorb the incident energy continuously. All the electrons near the surface will absorb energy. See here, the metal surface will require reasonable time, approximately equal to few minutes to hours, to sufficient energy to knock off electrons. Next, greater the intensity of incident radiation, then more will be the incident energy, and hence expected time required to knock off electrons will be less. Next point, for small incident intensity, the energy incident on unit area in unit time will be small and will take longer time to knock off electrons. These observations are opposite to observation from experiments on photoelectric effect. Since larger incident intensity causes larger energy, that is, incident intensity वाढली असता energy सुद्धा वाढते. The electrons are expected to be emitted with larger kinetic energy, but the observations show that the maximum Ke does not depend on incident intensity, but depends on incident frequency. That is, kinetic energy depends on incident frequency. ती kinetic energy डिपेंड राहत नाही. कशावर? इन्सिडेंट इंटेन्सिटीवर डिपेंड नसते, पण इन्सिडेंट फ्रिक्वेन्सीवर डिपेंड असते. सी हिअर पेज नंबर 12. By wave theory, frequency of incident radiation is not used to determine Ke of photoelectrons, but according to wave theory, photoelectrons are emitted for any frequency of intensity of radiation is large enough. But observations of photoelectric effect show that for a given metal surface, some characteristic cutoff frequency nu0 exists below which no photoelectrons are emitted. But however, intense incident radiation is and photoelectrons are emitted. If incident frequency nu is greater than nu0, even if intensity is low, that is, here nu means incident radiation frequency is greater than threshold frequency, then only photoelectrons are emitted, even जरी intensity low असेल तरीही. Question number 6. What is the work function of the metal? Explain it, state its unit. Or question number 6. Define photoelectric work function of the metal. Explain it, state its unit. Definition. The minimum amount of energy required to be provided to an electron to put it out of the metal from the surface is called the work function of the metal. It is shown by phi 0. Work function depends on number 1. Properties of the metal. Number 2. Nature of its surface. Work function of metal is generally expressed in a unit of energy called the electron volt. See here page number 13. Metals have free electrons, so the metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. These electrons are free to move inside the metal. They are confined, that is, in limit, inside the metal. The electrons cannot escape from the surface. unless sufficient energy is supplied. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक ठराविक सफिशियंट एनर्जी मिळाल्याशिवाय बाहेर पडू शकत नाहीत. दिस मिनिमम अमाऊंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू एन इलेक्ट्रॉन टू पुल इट आउट ऑफ द मेटल फ्रॉम द surface is called as the work function of the metal 50. Question number 7. Can microwaves be used in the experiment on photoelectric effect? No. Microwaves cannot be used in the experiment on photoelectric effect. Question number 8. Is it always possible to see photoelectric effect with red light? No, it is not possible to see photoelectric effect with red light. Question number 9. Using the values of work function given in table 14.1, tell which metal will require the highest frequency of incident radiation to generate photocurrent. See here answer. Gold is the metal will require the highest frequency of incident radiation to generate photocurrent. गोल्ड हे एक असं मेटल आहे की ज्याच्याकडं सर्वात जास्त फ्रिक्वेन्सी इन्सिडेंट रेडिएशनची आहे. सो इट कॅन जनरेट फोटोकरंट. सिन्स phi0 is equal to h into nu 0 where h is Planck's constant, larger the work function phi0 then higher the threshold frequency. Here table number 14.1, that is page number 14. Table number this 14.1. Metal work function in electron volt: potassium 2.3, sodium 2.4, calcium 2.9, that is here unit is electron volt, zinc 3.6 electron volt, silver 4.3 electron volt, aluminum 4.3, tungsten 4.5, copper 4.7, nickel 5 electron volt, gold 5.1 electron volt.